Hey guys, today we will take a quick look into how we can delegate specific methods to a designated object. Let's say for example that we have a new class of records that contains an array. Then from this class we can actually delegate methods to the array class of Ruby, so we don't have to get our class full of methods that already exist. So before we continue, we need to include the forwardable module. To do this, we're just gonna require it, as it comes straight, in Ruby. Okay, now we can go ahead and create our class. In this case, the class is gonna be record collection. Okay, then we will need to extend the class with the forwardable module and use the method delegator, which will help us to delegate the method to the array class. So we're gonna extend forwardable. Okay, we actually need our accessor, which is going to be a records, and now we're going to use the method delegator. Okay, records. I'm going to use the first, and I'm going to call it my first. Alright, you might be wondering what's first. First is a method of the array class inside Ruby. So what we are actually going to do here is, from a record collection, we're going to delegate it to the array class. Okay, and the way we can do it is by calling my first method. Let's take a look. I'm going to create a new instance of record collection. I'm going to put in some records. This is going to be an array. It can be whatever, okay? I can actually put something like this too, right? I'm gonna mark it. Oops. I'm gonna mark this unexpected token, okay? Okay, should be fine now. Oops, let me go ahead and clear it. There you go. We have an array here, okay? And we're calling that array records. So now we can actually call my first. There you go. And it will give us the first element of the array. How? By calling the first method. The first method actually lives inside the array class, and we're delegating it by using forwardable and the delegator method. Okay, it's a pretty basic sample, so I'm gonna take a look into something more advanced now. Let me clear all of this, and by that I'm gonna create another class. Let's see, class of pet. I like pets. I have 3 dogs and 2 cats, so I like pets. So we're gonna extend forwardable. We're gonna create our accessors, and this time it's gonna be animal, name, type, and color. That will be it, I guess. Yeah, and then we're gonna create our initialize method, and we're gonna pass in our animal. Our animal is gonna be equal to our animal, and here I'm sorry, it's actually not like this. Oops. And here I'm gonna use our delegator, delegators. Okay, animal. Okay, I have an error here. Oh yeah, I haven't finished this. Okay, there you go. Yeah, notice how we changed from delegator to delegators here. Okay, this is another method, and what this does, it will delegate all of those methods to its parent class. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna def the initialize method here, so we can actually create an instance of it, and I can actually get the animal back. So I'm gonna create a doc struct new, and I'm gonna require the name and the type. I can actually go a little bit further here, and I'm gonna override the initialize method here, and I'm gonna call it super and self type equals Chihuahua. Okay. Okay, what I'm doing here is that if we don't provide a type of dog, then it will um, self itself to Chihuahua. All right. And I'm gonna create another pet called cat, which is also gonna be a struct. And cats have names too, so I'm gonna put in the name. And this time I'm gonna give it a color attribute here. Okay, I think I'm ready. And so let's go ahead and for the first pet, it's gonna be a dog. So pet new, and I'm gonna put in dog new. My dog's name's Milo, and the type it's gonna be a Chihuahua because I wanna use the default one. And second pet this time is gonna be a cat. My cat's name is Baymax, and the color is black. Okay, okay, that's good. I'm getting some warnings here. So what I'm gonna do is first pet name, first pet type, second pet name, second pet dot color. Okay. I'll mark this. I'm gonna run this to get rid of that. And there you go. The first pet name is Milo. The first pet type is a Chihuahua because I'm using the default one here. Second pet it's name BMAX. Second pet color it's black. Okay, as you're seeing, our class pet doesn't have any methods. It's delegating all of those to the struct where it comes from, to the object. Okay. So as you can see, it's very easy to create a delegation in Ruby. Uh, in Rails, we have something that's already helping us, with that. I think it's called Delegate. Yeah, it's Delegate, and we will take a look into it later on. Okay, it's provided by Active Support, and it has a pretty good syntax that we can use, so we can take advantage of it much easier than with forwardable. But I actually like forwardable if you're working in something very basic, like in this case, something that doesn't require more, that doesn't require Rails itself. So, don't forget to, if you have any comments, just let me know. If you have any requests, just let me know too. I'll try to make a video about it soon. And I guess I'll see you later. Thanks for your time, guys. See you later.